I got this tooth cleaning kit, not only for my own dental health, but also for my daughter's. So today we're gonna get it open. I'm gonna show you how to assemble it and how to use it. So let's get it open. It comes with a user manual, and that's the orthodontic tip right there. Got a brush on the end. Comes with 3 jet tips as well as a USB cable for charging the device, a carrying case, and the device itself. And this can be broken down into 2 pieces. You simply find the lock and unlock feature right there, and you simply twist that tab over to the unlock, and it will separate. From there, you can fill up the reservoir here that has markings for 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters. We also get a usage notice here that says we should add a little bit of water into this section here as well. You can also change these tips in and out by popping it in place and using this button here to dislodge them. And we have 2 buttons here, one to control the mode from normal to soft to pulse to DIY and back, and one to turn the device on. And the tank also has its own drain right here. But first I'm going to make sure it's fully charged, and to do that I'm going to pull back on this little rubber stamp right here, and that's where you'll find the charging port. That actually took me a while to find, so I'm glad I finally pulled on that thing and figured it out.